Hey, Dewy.McDonald here. We just got in a pop-up camper, 2015 Forest River Real-Lite. Oh my, we haven't seen one of these for a while, guys. It's got all electric jacks around it. Come on in here, you got little steps, portable steps that go out to the back. So it looks like you got a queen size mattress up front with storage. Little fan up there. You got your little Dometic refrigerator right here. Little storage there. Nice little bench seat to get up in there. Little 2-burner. More a little spot for another bed right there if you want to make it a bed. A little storage above us. And then you got your sink. Little cabinets above here. Heater. Plug-ins. TV spot right there. You can put a TV up on top of the cabinet right there. There's your remote control for your, and then you got a nice little shower here with a curtain that's go around you. Yeah, cool. I mean, lightweight. These are long box, half-ton. I mean, this is a cool little camper. So if a guy's pulling a boat, usually a horse trailer, a lot of guys like these because they're really light. So yeah, that's an awesome camper. Let's go outside, take a peek out there. But yeah, here's your controls right here for your jacks, remote control. So pretty awesome. But yeah, if you're looking for something lightweight, you know, just a lot of guys like these pop-ups. This is cloth here, but they like these pop-ups just because of the weight. So come see me, Dewy.McDonald, Guaranty RV.